Hello, this is Dennis from Shenzhen GE Industry Company. Now, I will introduce our gas cotton candy machine. It's heated by gas. This is the switch for the rotating motor, and this is the striker for the fire. And now I will show you how to make cotton candy. First, we strike and heat the heater with the fire, and we need to wait for a minute. And to observe the temperature of this heater, we put the sugar inside like this and observe the sugar. This is the switch for the rotating, and this is to adjust the speed of the motor. And now we observe the sugar. After it's melting, just start to melt, and then we turn this switch to the maximum speed. And now I will prepare a stick. Okay, and now okay, it's almost finished. And then we turn off the striker. Okay, and we need to clean the heater like this. Like this. Okay, and later we turn off the switch for the rotating motor and turn off the speed adjustment.